Coral bells are evergreen or semi-evergreen in some climates, but by spring, the foliage often looks pretty rough and has collected a lot of debris over the winter. Clean it up in spring by raking out the fallen leaves that have collected in the foliage and clearing out the dead stems and tattered leaves. Even dead leaves remain attached to the plant pretty tightly, so don't try to pull them off or you could pull the entire crown out of the ground. Instead, cut off dead growth, being careful not to damage tiny new leaves that are forming. This will ensure that old dead foliage won't get in the way of the beautiful new growth later in spring.
Hi, I'm Kristen with Garden Gate Magazine. If you enjoyed that video, be sure to subscribe to Garden Gate Magazine's YouTube channel. There you'll find tips, design ideas, and how-to help for gardeners just like you. Click the bell so you can be notified every time we upload a new video.